Hello children, in last grammar topic we have done our parts of speech, then punctuation, sentences, and today now we are going to learn kinds of noun. So today we are going to see our topic, that is kinds of noun. So let's start. There are 5 kinds of noun. So first is our proper noun, second common noun, third one is collective noun, fourth one is material noun, and the fifth one is abstract noun. So first we will go with our proper noun. So what is proper noun? A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, or a thing. A noun becomes a proper noun when we call it by its name. So children, what is proper noun? A proper name, a proper particular name given to a person, place, or a thing. That is called your proper noun. Like here, see in this picture, you can see the example. The Ganga is a holy river. So the proper name given to that river, that is the Ganga. So the Ganga is what? The Ganga is your proper noun. In second picture, you can see the Taj Mahal is in Agra. So Agra and Taj Mahal, that is what that is the proper name given to that particular place. So that is your proper noun. In third picture you can see the Qutub Minar is in Delhi. So there also the proper name is given, so that it is your proper noun. In next picture, next examples you can see. First one is India is our country. So here India is what? India is your proper noun. In second example you can see Maya lives in Agra. So Maya is a proper name given to that person, and Agra is the proper name given to that place. So Maya and Agra, that is your proper noun. In third one, the Golden Temple is in Amritsar. So here Golden Temple and Amritsar, that is your proper noun. Fourth one, Ashoka was a great king. So Ashoka is what? Ashoka is your proper noun. In fifth one, Rohit and Anuj are best friends. So Rohit and Anuj, that is the proper name given to that boys. So that is what? That is your proper noun. Sixth one is the Himalayas are the highest mountains in the world. Now here what is the proper noun given? The Himalayas. The Himalayas is the proper name given to the mountains. So that Himalayas is your proper noun. Seventh one, the national language of India is Hindi. So here India is what? India is the proper name given to our country. So India is our proper noun, and Hindi, that is the proper name given to the language. So Hindi also is your proper noun. Next one, what is it is given? The one more point is given. A proper noun always begin with a capital letter. Yes children, proper name always begins with a capital letter. Like when we are writing the name of a person, name of a place, we write starting letter capital. So a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Okay, so second one is our common noun. Now what is common noun? Common nouns are names given in common to every person, place, animal, or thing of the same class or kind. So what is common noun? Common noun is a common name given to every person. Like boy. Boy is what? Boy is a common noun given to every male person, male one. So that becomes your what? Common noun. So boy is what? Boy is a common name. Like girl, that is what? That is the common name given to girls. If so many girls are sitting, so what we tell that so many girls are sitting there. So girl is what? That is the common noun given, okay, to a person. Then like animals also, there are so many types of animal, monkey, cat, dog, but for all that what we tell animals, it comes in the category of animals. So that is what? That is the common name given. Like teachers, doctor, that is what? That is the common name given in common to every person, place, animal, or thing. Yes, so we can see the picture. In picture what it is given? The sheep gives us wool. Second one is, this is a bat. There are multi-story buildings in a big city. Now what it is given? in this picture, that is what the common name given to the sheep. So the sheep is what? That is the common noun. This is a bat. Bat is what? Bat is a common name given to this thing. Then there are multi-story buildings in big cities. There are so many cities. So the big city is what it is given? That is given your common noun. Yes, next one is given the sentence. It is given Mr. Sharma is a teacher. So teacher is what? Teacher is a common noun. It is a common name given to all teachers. Like there are so many teachers. So teacher is what? Teacher is a common noun. In second sentence, there are two doors in this room. So for doors also, door is what? Door is a common noun. In third one, dog and cat are pet animals. So dog, cat and animals, they are what? They are the common noun. Fourth one is there are 4 books on the table. Here books are what? Books are your common noun because there are so many different books. Story book is there, then your magazines are there. So what we call in common, the common name is given for that. What it is given? It is given books. This is in fifth sentence, this is my cupboard. So cupboard is what? Cupboard is your common noun. So these words so all these words are what? These all words are common noun which are written in color. That is your common noun. Now third one is our collective noun. What is given? A collective noun is the name of a number of persons, group of animals or a set of things. So for what it is given, collective noun is what? Means that is a collection done. Means it is collected, it is together, it is in a group. So that could be the group of animals or a set of things. So that is your collective noun. So a collective noun is the name of a number of persons, group of animals or a set of things. Like in picture you can see this is a bunch of grapes. So this grapes, all it is what? It is a bunch of grapes. So this is what? This is your bunch is what? Bunch is your collective noun. Indian army is very brave. Now here it is what? Armies. So they are what? Indian army. So army comes means the people here collected here. So that is what? Army is your collective noun. Here the children are studying in the class. So what is your collective noun? Class is your collective noun. Same way here in next examples are given. She has a bunch of keys. Now here you have solved the bunch of grapes. So same way here it is given another example. She has a bunch of keys. Second one is given. The crowd is making a mess. So the word crowd, that is what? Collective noun. Third one is a herd of cattle is passing. So herd is what? Herd is your collective noun. Yes, next now fourth one is given. Mohit presented a bouquet of flowers to his class teacher. Now here which is your collective noun? Bouquet. A bouquet of flowers. So a bouquet is your collective noun. Fifth one is a troop of monkeys is passing here. So a troop, that is troop is your collective noun. So here also the words which are written in green color, that is all your collective nouns. So like here same way more examples are given of your collective noun. Many collective nouns are used for group of a kind. Like for birds, what we are using the word? A flock of birds. Second one, a brood of chickens. A gang of robbers. A pride of lions. A bouquet of flowers. A string of beads. A fleet of ships. Eighth one is a troop of soldiers. Next is a panel of judges, a board of directors, a litter of kittens, a shoal of fish, a drove of ponies, a clump of trees, a range of hills. So these are all what? These are the groups of a kind which are given. So many collective nouns are used for the different kinds of a group. So next is our fourth one is our material noun. A material noun is the name of the material or substance of which things are made of. Like in picture you can see this book is made of fine paper. So paper is what? Paper is the material used to make a book. So paper is your material noun. The sweater is made of Kashmiri wool. Now for making this sweater, what it is used? Wool is used. So wool is what? Your material noun. That is your material used to make a sweater. So that is your material noun. The ring is made of gold. So which material is used to make this ring? Gold is used. So gold is what? Gold is our material noun. Same way many more examples are given next. So our first sentence is here. Many beads are used to make a necklace. So for making a necklace, what it is used? Which material is used? Beads are used. So beads is what? Beads is our material noun. In second sentence it is given gold and silver are used to make ornaments. So for making ornaments, which materials are used? Gold and silver it is used. So gold and silver is our material noun. In third it is given wood is used to make furniture. So for making furniture, which material is used? Wood is used. So wood is our material noun. And fourth one, the table is made up of plastic. So for making this table, which material is used? Plastic is used. So plastic is what? Plastic is our material noun. Yes, so last one is our abstract noun. So what is abstract noun? An abstract noun is the name of quality, action or state which we can only think of. It cannot be felt and cannot be seen or touched. So what is abstract noun? Abstract noun is the name of quality, action or state which cannot be seen, we can only think it. So that cannot be seen or cannot be felt or touched. That is called an abstract noun. Like example it is given, our soldiers are known for their bravery. So bravery is what? Bravery is our abstract noun. It cannot be felt or touched. So bravery is abstract noun. Childhood is the best period of life. So childhood is what? Each and every child he is only enjoying. So the child only knows how he is enjoying his childhood. So childhood is what? Childhood is an abstract noun. Next is honesty is the best policy. So honesty also can't be touched or seen. So that is honesty is what? Honesty is an abstract noun. So same way here examples are given. First sentence is given, we should keep good health. So health is our abstract noun. Mansi is known for her kindness. Kindness is what? Kindness is an abstract noun. Wisdom is better than strength. So wisdom and strength is an abstract noun. We cannot buy happiness. So happiness is what? Happiness is an abstract noun. Youth and old age are parts of life. So youth and old age are an abstract noun. So in this way children, I hope you are clear with all our kinds of noun we have done with kinds of noun. So there are 5 kinds of noun, that is proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and our abstract noun. Thank you.